Hey guys.
Noodle. It's
Crazy monkey.
and we have a bunch of fidget spinners.
Yeah.
There's 3 more, but we didn't we couldn't find the black one.
Yeah.
And him and his brother have 2. Oh no, there's 5 more. Nope. Yeah,
3.
5 more. 5 more because then
4.
no the black one, then yours 2. Yours 2, and then the black ones. There's 6 more. I know, I counted that one.
Oh.
And then there's 6 that we didn't have. But right here we have 6.
So there's a lot of fidget spinners though.
And then our cousins have some.
That's me.
Oh, not you guys. They already know you guys have some because we just said it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with one. So here's a dark green one. I think we need to put the brightness up. How do you put the brightness? Oh, it's up here, right? Yeah.
So bright.
I know. We have a dark fidget spinner here, and it actually works good. It's just kind of bumpy, and it works good. It's just a little bit bumpy.
Now I'm gonna show the next one.
No. And then you can spin it. We're both sick, so.
I'm a little bit sick.
Yeah, my dad said he was out of the club because yesterday he was here.
You saved that. I can't believe
And
Brando, be quiet. We're doing a video.
Hey, get out of. Get out. I'm sorry.
Stay right here.
Oh, guys.
Okay, so now you know this one looks good.
Yeah. I'm not sure.
He got beat up right now by me. Okay. Then there's this red one. There's this red one. Oh.
Don't get in the middle.
There's this red one. And then it also works good. Okay, here. Okay, isn't it heavier than the last one?
Yeah.
These 2 are the newest ones. Only I can do tricks, he can't.
Yes, I can.
In the video, he can't. Then here's another red one that I found at our apartment park. This is my apartment, so there's a park
Right over there.
you just go like that.
You can go other
You
way.
just go that, wait, that.
You can go this way,
Because
but
our apartments are big. If you know where they are, they're Meridian Point in Washington.
I have a
PL.
house. I have a house.
Yeah, but he lives in Edgewood. Because I live in the corner of Puyallup, so he lives really close to me. And my cousins also live really close to me. And they're also nice.
But your cousins,
They're also your cousins at Jimena and Paola. And then,
and then your friends.
and then here's... And then there's this blue one that doesn't work good because it came in the mail broken for me.
Yeah,
So that sucks and it doesn't work good.
Jinx. That is Jinx.
No, it isn't. And then,
Because we're both like, yeah.
I didn't say yeah. I said, and so.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't. You just said yeah. Stop
So-
lying.
I said so.
I said, and so. And then here's this yellow one.
Yeah, that looks like a lime. Just kidding.
Can you stop?
I'm on the
You
floor.
need to go back. Okay. And then there's this yellow one that's the lightest of all of them.
No.
Yeah.
What about the green
And then also this
one? I
one
can't spin on my nose.
easy. If you look at the other video, you can already see me balancing it on my nose. So.
That's my house.
See, isn't it lighter?
Yeah. No, when you give gravity. Okay. I'm doing crisscross applesauce.
No one cares.
Mimi.
You're the meanie.
Mom's Mimi.
Because my dad said that he was out of the sick club because me and my dad are sick. The person who walked right there is my brother. There's making noises right now.
Yeah. And my brother and her brother.
Okay, I'm just gonna try to get a. You stay here. I'm gonna try to get a little peek of them. I want to see. No, get back. You can see. Yeah, my brother saw you. Or saw the camera.
No! Dude. Just the
Or
camera.
my brother keeps looking at the camera. Julian, get over here. Stop. You need to be in the video. Don't do that.
I just said hi.
Yeah. Why doesn't your face
It's broken.
go? Where?
In the middle, I think.
Over here?
It's just the middle part. I don't know.
Yeah, this one is really noisy. Like this one. These two
Broken.
are the noisiest.
Let me use it.
No.
Ow.
So these are all 6 of the fidget spinners.
Yeah. Slow.
So bye.
Bye.
1, 2, 3. Peace.